Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite Amazon home finds I've purchased for my home recently. I have found some beautiful home decor, some really great home essentials that just make life so much easier, some DIY supplies that you definitely need if you're working on projects as well, some outdoor pieces that instantly elevate your curb appeal, and some cleaning supplies that I've been loving. A lot of these pieces are on major sale this week as well because there's Prime Day deals happening right now. So from the 8th to the 11th, you can find a lot of great deals on Amazon. So I'm going to be curating some of my top finds from appliances, decor, furniture, lighting, rugs, all on my Amazon storefront. So you guys can find the top finds at the best price. So I'll have that link down below in the description box so you guys can shop all the sales as well. But I hope you enjoy watching and I hope this video gives you some ideas on things that you can use around your home. Starting with my favorite home decor find, this cordless rechargeable table lamp. This is just the cutest little thing. I love lamps, so I want to put lamps everywhere I can. I have been loving the look of this in our built-ins. Putting this on a shelf, having it light up the decor around it, it feels unexpected, and I think there's something super cute about little lamps in a shelf. These are also great for any area around your home where you don't have an outlet. So maybe a desk space in the middle of an office like this, or even your dining table or coffee table. These are perfect to have for every area of your home. There are a lot of cordless lamps out there, but this one looks the most realistic to me. This one looks like it's not a cordless lamp because it comes with this lampshade that really just blends into the other lamps around my home. A lot of the cordless lamps have full metal finishes or they're all plastic and they just look like a cordless lamp. This one can blend into the rest. Now onto a good exterior find. If you want to elevate the look of your doorway area and you have a Ring doorbell, which so many of us have, they usually come with this silver plate. So this is where the doorbell button is. It screws right in the bottom. This can pop on and off. I just found out that it actually comes in different color options, so you can customize it to your home. We just painted our home pearly white, and this right here is called Pearl White, and it just blends into our home so much more. This allows you to kind of match your exterior finishes. If you have door handles that are brass or black and you really want to accent all of the details around your door to match, you can do so with different color options. So we don't have any silver outside, so this was kind of the only silver thing out there. Swapping it over to Pearl White just made it feel like it could blend in a bit more. Plus, I'm not trying to call all the attention over to the Ring doorbell. So this is a really great option. These are super affordable. Check out all the color options that they have. If you already have a Ring doorbell, you can order this piece, pop it on, and customize your exterior. We just updated our plain simple garage doors in seconds, under $15, using the garage door hinge and pull magnetic set. These come in a set of 4 hinges and 2 pulls for each garage door. And I can't believe what just a simple magnet can do to your home. They're 3D, they're heavy, they're durable, they're waterproof, and I mean, they're not moving at all on your garage door. Your garage door can still open and close as usual. A lot of garage doors that come with these details are a lot more expensive, so this allows you to get that look without screwing anything in and without spending a lot of money. So this is something you can just pop on in seconds and get instant results. I also love the way the black can kind of tie together lighting on your exterior or any kind of black accents. It just kind of brings it out even more. So if you have plain simple garage doors, I highly recommend this kind of product. We use this on our old house, and then I just bought this new set to go on our second garage door here because I love them so much. So they come in different styles. You can get them with a little bit more texture. You can get the pulls as more of like a door handle. So check out the different styles, see what's going to work with your exterior, but I think it's a great exterior upgrade that you can do. Just make sure that your garage door is magnetic compatible. Ours is, so they just pop right on. They're super strong, and I think you'll love the look of them. So from the street and even up close, you can't even tell the difference between these and any ones that are permanently screwed in. If you're doing any DIY projects or hanging anything heavy on the walls of your home, you definitely want to know where your studs are. And I have found the easiest way to find studs has been with this little stud buddy. This is the easiest, most simple form of a stud finder, and it's just the best. It doesn't have any blinking lights, it doesn't have any sound coming from it, but it's just a huge magnet. So you just slide it across your wall until it stops and it finds metal, which is the screws in your studs. and it just sticks to the wall. You don't have to hold it up and mark anything. It just holds itself up and you can work around it. So I think this is just the best if you're doing any kind of DIY projects around your home, or if you're hanging simple art or a mirror. You definitely need one of these. I have used many different stud finders and I find them a bit confusing. Sometimes they're really off. And this has been the most accurate because all you're really looking for is that metal in the stud. So definitely pick up a pack of these. The pack comes with 2, so you can kind of mark out 2 studs if you're hanging anything large like that. These are amazing, especially if you're a beginner. Just add it to your toolkit. You will get a ton of use out of this. Now, if you have a lot of lamps around your home like I do, you definitely need these timer light bulbs. These are by the company GE. I bought them on Amazon. They came in a pack of 4. And I ordered 2 packs because I wanted these all over my main floor, at least in all of the lamps. These have different modes to them. So you can use it as a standard light bulb by switching it to standard use. You can also go to 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. And that means how long the light bulb is on. So if you want all of your lamps going on at 7 p.m. and turning off before bed at 11, you could go to 4-hour mode and it will do that for you. So the first time you set it up, you set the mode and turn your lamp on at the time you want the lamps to go on, and it will automatically calibrate every single day. So I've been loving it. I don't have to run around the house at night when I'm tired to turn off all the lamps. I don't even have to turn them on during the day anymore. They're going on and off exactly when I want them to. So this is great because you can adjust this over time as the time changes, as the seasons go on. You can adjust this and have light on for longer or shorter amounts of time. They also are in a soft white, which I love. It's bright enough, it's warm enough for lamps. That will also ensure that all of your lamp lighting matches in its temperature. So if you just do this all at once, you will have an amazing experience around your home. Another type of lighting we really wanted to prioritize getting on some kind of timer system was our exterior lighting. We kept accidentally leaving the exterior lights on all day, and I mean, that's a waste of energy and looks really silly. So we finally got the dusk to dawn light bulbs, again by GE. These, you don't even have to set a timer, you don't have to think about it. You screw the bulb in and the bulb actually has a sensor that recognizes the sunlight and the darkness. So it turns off during the daytime and turns on at night, and it's a soft, warm white. So it's a beautiful glow. It's exactly what you'd want for your exterior. And we just put these in all of our lights out there. So now we don't have to set any timers or worry about anything. You turn them on once and it will calibrate to the sun. So these are amazing. If you're looking for an affordable way of kind of setting up your exterior on a timer as well, definitely get those light bulbs. Now, if you have a bunch of rugs in your home that you don't want shifting around looking messy or lifting at the corners and creating a tripping hazard, you definitely need rug grippers. These are incredible. I love that they don't leave any residue behind. You're not actually putting anything sticky on your flooring. It's just a grip. So if you have really nice flooring, maybe you just refinish your floors like we did. I don't want to put any adhesive on my flooring. I want to put just a grip. So this actually has the sticky part that sticks onto your rug. So that's totally fine. That sticks on like a sticker. And then the grip part just kind of feels like rubber and it will stick to your flooring. The adhesive is really strong on a horizontal, but not a vertical. So you can just lift your rug up and down vertically, no problem. That's what I love about these. It's not a huge sticker. It's nothing messy that you're doing to your flooring. It's just something additional to add to your rug, especially in a place that doesn't have furniture holding it down. So maybe a runner or a front doormat, those shift a lot if you don't have a grip down. So I have these on my front rug and I mean, the rug hasn't moved at all. So I highly recommend these if you're doing something similar for your home. Now, in a previous video, I showed you how we updated our pillows on our bed to these Amazon Beckham pillows. And this is my update now. We love them. They are as good as what people say. That's why they're so popular on Amazon. So I'm linking them here for you guys because I think you'll like them as well. These are down alternatives. So there's nothing poking out of them. They actually are made up of a bunch of cubes of memory foam, and they never lose their shape, but they still allow you to kind of sink into them, which I really like. So we've been really loving these. I think if you're looking for a good supportive pillow that's not too soft, not too hard, all of that, this is like a really good in-between, especially even for a guest room. Because sometimes, you know, you want to put a pillow in there that you think everyone will like. I think this is one of those kind of pillows that is supportive, soft enough, it's kind of all in one. So I highly recommend these Beckham ones. Now, something for the kitchen. This is the Cuisinart defrosting tray. If you're doing any meat defrosting, you definitely need this tray because it cuts the time in half. You don't have to pull out your meat in the morning anymore and wait all day for it to defrost. You can do it pretty last minute using this tray, and the meat actually tastes better. It really holds the flavor. This aluminum tray, I don't know what's in it, magic, but it really allows your meat to defrost at the same temperature across the entire meat. So we found that the flavor of our food actually got better when we were using this tray to defrost the meat. So I highly recommend this, especially if you're somebody that is doing the cooking in your home or prepping the food and figuring out all the meals. This would make your life a lot easier because it would allow you to work a little bit more last minute. Now onto a little laundry product. If you're also into natural detergents, really good scents, and cute branding, you would love this brand. I just found them. Mosey Wash. Look how cute these cans are. They're not big giant plastic bottles. They're sleek. I feel like they look cute on a shelf. They come in so many different colors and scents, and scent is like their biggest thing. They smell like familiar perfumes and home scents that you've smelt before. This orange one is called Sugar Dew, and it smells like the Anthropology candle. And you know, when you open the can, it's like, wow, really strong, but when you're actually washing your clothes, it doesn't come off super strong, but at least it makes your home and your clothes smell clean and fresh, and like you really smell good after washing your clothes with this. So I've been loving this one. This one is called Cozy Cashmere. This smells like a perfume. I wanna wash all of my bedding and all of my towels in it. It's warm and bright, and wow, they actually have the best scents ever. You guys need to smell these, but they also come in different colors and different scents. So there's a blue, there's a green, I think a purple. I kind of want to get all of them and just line them up on my shelf because I actually think they're really cute, but I'm so excited that they're a natural laundry detergent. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on items that you can find on Amazon that will instantly elevate your home or just make your life that much easier. If you're looking for any of these product links, I'll have them linked down below in the description box underneath this video, and I'll have them pinned in my comment down below as well. So if you're looking for any of these products, you can find them there. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!